very beautiful.
Thank you.
Eh? See, listen, let me tell you. I don't want you to overlabor yourself for any reason. Once you have a job to do, call me. I will come and do it. What am I doing? I am not doing anything when it comes to coming to help you. And again, I don't want you to ever come to the farm alone. It is dangerous for you. Did you hear me?
Thank you very much. May the gods bless you and other men who have been helping me in this case.
Other men?
Yes, other men. I don't know if it's because I'm a woman or because I don't have relatives. But the gods have been using other men to bless me. Just the way you came to help me. I pray one amongst them will be my husband. Why are you silent?
Let me ask you. Among all of us, who would you choose to be your husband?
You know it is not in my hand to choose. The gods will choose a husband for me when the time comes.
Okay. Tomorrow, I will come back and plant them. Yes. But meanwhile, I think you need some firewood. Let me just get some.
Let me come with you.
You will never suffer in life. There is no how. Unless I am dead, why will I be alive and you be suffering? I have never seen a maiden in this kingdom that is as beautiful as you are. So you don't deserve to suffer. Even the Igwe's daughter is not even as beautiful as you are. What are we talking?
Let me help you. I should not touch it.
Don't touch it for any reason.
Hey. Thank you very much. May the gods bless you. See you.
You see, I'll be on my way now.
Thank you.
I will come and check on you later.
Okay.
I'll check on you later.
Thank you.
Come and check on you later.
Okay.
Please, if there are any errands there, keep it when I'm back.
Okay.
I will do them. Chinyere.
Nnamdi.
You can wait for me to help you.
Don't worry. Besides, someone helped me.
I know you must be tired. Go and eat your food.
Thank you.
I don't understand what she meant by many men helps her. Let it not be that all my efforts are useless. But I love her so much that I want to spend the rest of my life with her. Wait. Let it not be that I'm wasting my time.
No! Thanks to the gods.
He said...
I'm actually on my way to your hut. You won't believe the good news.
Ah.
I have found love. I want you to follow me to her place, so that she will know that I have good people in this kingdom.
Hey! Gods of my ancestors, you are indeed wise. I am also coming to your hut for the same reason. In fact, may the gods be praised.
He said...
You know what will happen? Wait for me in your hut. Let me quickly go to my barn and get something. Then I will come back, we'll go together. But first, to your wife-to-be's hut. Then to mine. Huh? I shall be with you later.
Please, hurry up.
I shall be with you, man.
Hurry up.
You're very tricky. That's you. You said you wanted to do something else. You. Leave me alone.
Chima, Chiri.
This world is strange. Why will Nnamdi go for the same maiden I am in love with? Why? What stopped him from loving Amaka or Ngozi? Is Chinyere the only beautiful maiden in this kingdom? Look, Nnamdi, Chinyere is my wife, and there is nothing anyone can do to stop me, not even you.
What is really happening? What kind of temptation and confusion is this? So Chima and I have been in love with the same person. But why did I tell him in the first place? No. It is even good to know your enemy. Chima, you are now the enemy I know.
Nnamdi, what is wrong with you? Do you know I've been standing here for some minutes and yet you didn't even notice my presence? This is so obvious that something is eating you up and you have to tell me, okay?
I understand you very well. Thank you for your concern. I really appreciate it. I know as my good sister, you're not allowed evil to befall me. I will tell you the truth.
Okay, I'm listening.
There's this girl in this kingdom that I'm so much in love with. That I've concluded within my heart that she will be my life partner. But there's a clause between us. And that clause is my best friend, Chima.
Chima, I don't understand. So, what has Chima got to do with this?
Chima is in love with the same maiden. You made me shock.
I'm sorry. Hey, you have really tried. Enough. Don't walk again. Come, let's go home.
Don't worry. I set a target on myself. I must meet up today, okay? Please, sit down.
But you have tried. Look at what you have done.
Sit down, please. Sit down.
You can continue tomorrow. Let's
sit down, please. Sit down, please. Sit down.
Namdi.
Sit down. Sit down. Manyoma. Sit down. Officer is not touching you.
No, it's not.
We are best of friends in this kingdom. I can't give up my love for friendship. I have found hope in you. Ever since I met you, I think I knew the real definition of my destiny.
You will not understand. Namdi, I am the most confused maiden in this kingdom. I took a decision that I will marry any of you that proposes first to me. But the two of you came the same day. I'm just confused.
I never knew you both knew each other until the day we came to your hut. Chinyere, what is happening between Chima and I is not out of place. Love is caring. I promise to take good care of you. Love design a great destiny. You and I has a great future together. Love smiles. Chinyere, I promise to make you smile for the rest of your life. Love is hopeful, which I have found in you. If you leave me, you will leave me empty. Please marry me.
Each time the two of you talk to me like this, I become more confused. I don't know what to do. But I think
I'm listening to you, my lord. Speak on.
Please, Namdi. You have to give me some time to think about it. I don't want to take any decision in a hurry. Please.
I understand. Take your time. I know this has to do with destiny. But I was able to explain to her what true love takes. And I also made her to know the strength of my love for her.
You did the right thing, my brother. I know what you have for her is true and genuine. But at the same time, it's not going to be very easy to convince Chinyere. Especially not in this kind of context. You have to calm down, because one thing I know is that with time, everything will fall in place.
Thank you, my good sister. I really appreciate you. May the gods keep you alive for me.
You say...
Thank you.
You're my brother, so if I don't do it for you, who will I do it for?
Thank you.
Let's go.
Chima.
What's wrong with you? You again? What have I done to you? Eh? You will not allow me physically, you will not allow me in my dream. What have I done to you?
Chima, what are you talking about?
Say what? Leave my hut now!
Said what?
I said leave my hut.
Chima, it's me, Nnamdi,
Your best friend. It is you, Nnamdi, my best friend. Best friend, Bewagon. Leave my hut. You are still here. Okay? No problem.
Chima! Help me here. Chima! Chima!
No, wait.
Chima!
Wait for me.
Chima!
Hi. You want to be a hindrance to me.
What is happening here? Chima. Chima, calm down.
What is it?
Calm down. Chima. Chima, he has not gotten to this. You are Nnamdi childhood friends. Don't allow ugly circumstances to ruin your friendship. Wait, man, now.
Childhood uchawaku ninon. Friendship finaku na junanya. Amanuna chie. Tell your stupid brother to withdraw himself. Mokalungoluma. Very up. Pe. Only a free fella come. What's up, bro? Tell him what I've said.
Hi. Nnamdi. Hey, Chimo. Nnamdi.
Neka.
What is all this?
Where is he?
Hi.
Please marry me. Don't choose him over me. Please.
Chima, if I may ask, why do you think I should leave him for you?
Because I'm better off. Yes, I am all you need. Of all men in this kingdom, I am all you need.
You think so?
Look, I love you so much. I will protect you. I will care for you. I will do anything to keep you happy in your lifetime. I will do everything within my power to make sure that you don't suffer, you don't cry.
It's okay.
You can attest to that.
Stand up. It's okay. It's okay. I've heard you.
Thank you. Chinyere.
Why?
Chinyere, why?
I'm sorry. It was a mistake. I didn't know you were coming. I wanted to pour out the water.
It's all right. I hope you're fine.
Yes,
Actually,
I'm
come
fine.
to check how you're feeling.
I'm fine. What about you?
I was not fine, but now that I've behold a beautiful maiden like you, I'm not just fine, but perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I have to be on my way. Let me go and change, okay?
Hope you're not angry with me.
No.
It was a mistake, believe me. I was trying to pour out water. I didn't know you were coming and...
So you mean she poured you water?
Yes, she did.
I know she did that intentionally. Yes, she did it intentionally. She did it to see your reaction and attraction towards that. But I hope you didn't get angry.
No, I did not. And equally did not insult her.
Yes. See, Don't ever react towards our actions. Eh? I want you to persevere and endure, because I believe that one day everything will fall in place. Just be patient. Let me advise as a sister. This is one of the ways we maidens usually test the love of our men. And what she did is an example of that. She wants to know if you're a coward or rather a hot-tempered man. But don't give her the space to see that. Trust me.
Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you.
What is going on? They are passing all my tests. I'm even confused. I don't even know whom I love more. Oh, gods of our land, I need your help, please. Nnamdi, why do you want to marry me?
Because I love you. I cannot live without you. My love for you is real. You're silent. Is your question answered?
Not that. You've been so caring. You've been a nice person since I met you. You've always been there. You are genuine. You are truthful. You are real. But the thing is, I also get the same love and care from Chima. He's been so nice to me. He's been caring, taking good care of me. That is where the problem lies. So, I would like you to tell me sincerely, between you and Chima, who do you think is better?
Shira, I'm sorry. I don't like comparison. Chima is Chima. I am myself. I can't be Chima. I cannot be me.
Obi, my love, I want you to make me feel like a real woman.
Is that what you're saying with fear?
Let's go inside.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's be in Nnamdi.
Nnamdi,
How are you? Hope you're fine.
I'm fine, but I'm lonely.
Don't worry. That's why I'm here to make you happy, to keep you company.
I don't know how my body is doing me. And please, Nnamdi, can you make me feel like a real woman? I just want you to make me feel like a woman, please.
Chinyere, you are too beautiful. Your beauty is irresistible. In as much as I want to win your heart, your virginity is your pride. Taking your pride means I am disvaluing you. Please.
It's not true. It's not true. If you truly love me, you want to make me happy. Make me feel happy. Feel like a real woman. Touch me.
Chinyere, I know. But it's not every time. It's not every time you feel happy as a human. Sometimes you feel depressed. If I had wanted to take your virginity, I would have done that long ago. But it's your pride. I want to have you completely.
Then what did you come here to do?
I just come to know how you're feeling.
You can go. Good night. Good night. You can.
This is the reason I hate Nnamdi. Why must he pay a visit at that time? Who knows what he has told her that made her to refuse giving it to me? What type of bad friend is he? I could have been thanking the gods by now that I have had her, but that wizard wouldn't let me.
both love you.
For the fact that Chima was ready to do the thing doesn't mean he do not love you. You should know that not all men have self-control, my friend.
But I expected him to react like Nnamdi. Ngozi, you needed to see his reaction. He almost took me.
My friend, you wouldn't blame him. Probably he thought having carnal knowledge of you would make you fall in love with him. So please don't judge him. Pico.
So what do you think?
Just relax. Relax and depend on the gods. They will see you through. They will help you. Oh?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for today.
Chinyere, how many times are you going to appreciate me? I helped you because you needed the help at the point I met you. It's okay.
Please, I want to ask. Is it possible for a man to help a woman without thinking of getting anything in return?
Yes. Your appreciation to me is enough payment. But if it's the kind of help I am thinking, I'm not in for that.
So, what kind of payments are you talking about?
You see, there are some payments you need to pay wages for. But the one I rendered is free of charge. If there's a help you need to pay for, then it is a help rendered on agreement. I hope you understand. Yes.
Hey, I want to ask again.
Okay.
If you're a woman and you're in love with two men, which amongst them will you marry?
It's very simple now. You marry the one you love.
What if you're in love with the two of them?
No, Chinyere, it's not possible. It's not possible. How can you love two men at the same time? It's not possible.
But in my own case, it's possible. What if you love them equally?
In that case, you allow the gods to choose for you.
Allow the gods to choose for me?
Yes. We need to run along. The sun is just too much.
Ngozi, I am so much in love with your friend. My life is nothing without her. Please, I want you to help me. I am better dead than live a life without Chinyere. Yes, please help me win her.
Chima, I know you love my friend. Also do your friend Nnamdi. But you should allow her to choose wisely.
help me and convince her. Get her to my side. I know she listens to you. Help me convince her. Help me make her understand I am the only one who loves her in this kingdom. Please, help me get to her heart, please.
I understand you, but you know I can't choose for her. Yes.
You don't understand what I am trying to say. I want you to help me win her heart. Please. This may cost my life if I don't have Chinyere to myself.
We are talking about destiny here. And I can't advise her to choose you over Nnamdi or Nnamdi over you. No.
Ngozi, name anything you want. I will give it to you. Look, just help me. Help me convince her. Help me get her to my side, please.
Nnamdi, we are talking about my friend's future here. I can't trade her future for anything. No, I can't. What I will tell you right now is, don't give up. Keep trying. You are handsome. Probably she might choose you. There's a little I can tell you. I have to go.
Ngozi, I have a lot I can offer to you. Nnamdi, I came to ask you one key question.
I am listening.
Good. Nnamdi, as your bosom friend, if you see me in pain tomorrow, I mean in so much pains, how would you feel?
May the gods forbid that.
If the gods will forbid that because you are my friend, you wish me well, then take your mind off Chinyere. Chinyere is the woman for me to marry. I am the only man in this kingdom that knows the real worth and values of Chinyere. I am the only man in this kingdom who can take care of her, love her, and protect her. You know that I am well to do. Please, I beg you to retrace your steps. But I want to make you an offer. You see, my 2 plots of land at Oka here, I will give it to you. And 1 at Ukumango. Take it and let Chinyere go for me.
What you are asking for is impossible. Chinyere is part of my life. Living Chinyere means living part of my life dead. I cannot trade my love for anything.
You cannot trade your love with anything. That is also good, but I will leave you with this to think of. When next I see you, I expect you to tell me, Chima, I have washed off my hands of Chinyere.
You are dreaming. Chima, you are dreaming.
I didn't see you at the village square yesterday. What happened? You really missed.
You're telling me that I missed. Was it not your fault?
How?
I was waiting for you, thinking you will come. I didn't even know when I slept off.
I can't remember having any agreement on coming to call you. I thought you'd come out as usual.
Please don't mind me. So, how did it go?
You really missed. I have a lot of gist to tell you.
Tell me.
Do you know that by yesterday? In Anukwa. You like me. Eh? I have practically turned to messenger for Chinyere in this village. Eh? Chima wants her. This one wants her. That one wants her. They're even begging her. Am I not beautiful? What is... Mama. Chima wants her. Nnamdi wants her. This one wants her. Who wants me? Who wants Ngozi? Say Gayali come. Oh, this kid just quite my me. I like you. Is it like that we eat? Nobody wants Chinyere. What of me? What of me?
I've always wanted to be like you. Almost all your friends are advanced, and I'm sure you must have learned a lot from them.
Thank you. But is that what you want to talk to me about?
Yes, I was told that.
How are you?
I was told that when you make friends with people who are much older than you learn a lot from them.
It's good you admire me, but I must tell you the truth. Not all older people are nice. If you make the wrong ones, you will regret your life. So I will advise you stick to your mates, okay?
All right.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thanks for your time.
Okay. Be a good girl. Bye-bye.
What? Come on.
Hey! Hey, please. Please. Please don't keep it, don't keep it. Please, oh! Hey! Somebody help me, oh! Somebody help me, oh! Not disturb me, oh! Not me, oh! People, oh! Anybody come, oh! Hey! Hey! Please don't keep me, oh! Please, oh! Hey, oh!
Wait, Chinyere.
Hi. Hi. You know I ran off, but I'm sure they took her. Yes.
They did what?
They took her.
Please, be vigilant.
Hi.
Let me go for her. I know she must be in danger. Please.
Shut up. Go for what? Eh? Why do you want to endanger your life? Because of Chinyere?
I am a man. I have to protect my love. Please, be vigilant. Let me go for her.
It's a biggie. Are you stupid? You want to go for what? So you want to put your life at risk because of Chinyere? Is she the only girl in this village? Don't let me curse you.
Please.
Hey.
Please. Just take care of yourself. Let me go for her, please.
See.
Please, don't worry.
Namdi!
Don't worry. Let me go for her.
Namdi!
Please, vigilant. Go for her.
You're sure a fool.
Chinyere! Chinyere! Chinyere!
Namdi.
Who are you?
Please, don't kill her. She's not doing anything, please.
You mean you want to die because of this thing?
Please, free her. She did not do anything.
President, let you go.
Please.
Namdi.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Yes. Let me take her place.
Free her.
Chinyere, please go. It is better I die than they kill the two of us. Please. Just know that my love for you will continue even after death. Please. Yes. I said leave now!
Go. I'm doing this for love. Please.
Leave at once.
Love.
I said leave now!
It's not for love.
Just tie him up there. Since you want to die because of love.
This is strange. How can a man lay down his life for a woman all in the name of love? Is that not stupidity? I can't still figure this out. I don't understand. Where there are many beautiful young girls in the kingdom. This is really funny.
What can we call this? Love or foolishness?
Naboda, I call this one foolishness. Just imagine, is she the only maiden in this kingdom that I would die for?
I wonder. No. See, the one that surprised me most is that first one. Did you see his boldness? He almost fought us as if he can beat all of us. Listen, let me tell you. As far as I'm concerned, they are both fools. I will be the last man in this kingdom to die for a woman. To fear what? When the tradition of our land permits more than one wife. It's not possible.
See, Emeka, I'm very, very hungry. Let's forget about those fools and go and look for something to eat.
You are right, my brother. You are right.
May the God bless you. For all the assistance you have given to me in this cause. For my own good. Without you, how on earth am I supposed to know that those boys were fake? Huh? I would have failed woefully.
Hey, if ain't an arty bugogo. Hey, I never knew you could act like that. Hey!
Because I love her.
You almost fought those boys, so?
Because I love her.
Hey.
See, Ngozi, I want you to make this dream to come to reality, and I will double your reward.
Chinyere is your wife already.
Ah.
Start buying things. The marriage is done and dusted. There is no woman in her right senses that will see the act you put up against those boys. I wouldn't beg you to marry her. Yay! I didn't know.
I am not afraid. See, I am not afraid because I know that Nnamdi will never in next life pass this trial. He will not. Hey.
He made it too.
Eh? I don't get it.
Nnamdi passed the trial. I wonder what is beating the drum from Nnamdi. He's always there. I believe someone in this village is passing information to Nnamdi. Because this is not ordinary. Mbano. But you know what? Nobody can be like Ngozi. Nobody. Me. I will see to the end of this. I will dash you to her. I will deliver her to your hands. I, Ngozi, will see that Chinyere is yours. I will personally hand her over to you. Biko. Chinyere is my best friend. Definitely you will have her. Oh? Biko, make naba. Oh? Kambalo. Chinyere. My friend. Do you have been standing here? I've gone around the corner, I didn't see you. What is it? You look worried, Ogini. My friend, I am confused. I am really, really confused.
My friend, I am worried. I am really, really worried. I mean, how can two men want to lay down their lives for me? Do I worth it?
Is that your confusion?
Yes.
Is that what you should be thinking of right now? Listen, what you should be thinking of right now is who amongst the two can protect you. That should be your concern.
Ngozi, if you ask me, I will tell you two of them can protect me.
If you are judging from what those boys did, my friend, I will tell you here that Chima is the best man for you. Yes. Chima loves you. And he can die for you. Nnamdi, that man will disappoint you. That man will disappoint you when you need him most. Seriously.
How do you know?
Do you know how long it took me to convince him to come for you? Hey, wait. If those boys were real, then how can he buy Kele before he will come? How can he belly? That man will leave you when you need him most. I just hope you make the right decision now that you still have time. Yes.
Ngozi, hold on. You mean to tell me that you were the one that convinced Nnamdi to come save me?
Mm-hmm. You can ask him. Oh yes, you can ask him. Nnamdi might love you. He might love you. But what you need is someone who can protect you. Someone who will be there when you need him. And that man is Chima. Chima will protect you. You need it too. Two in one. You need it. Protect you and love you.
Chinyere. 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 Chinyere.
What?
What is the matter? I offended you? Please. If I offended you, please forgive me. I beg you. What is the matter? Chinyere. Chinyere.
Okay.
What kept you so long?
I'm sorry. I was busy at home.
Okay. Chiri, I'm happy you chose me over him. I will love you. I will care for you. I will protect you. I will make you happy all the rest of your life.
It's okay. I believe you. I believe you. The worst mistake I would have made is to marry Nnamdi. Yes.
Thanks to the gods.
Thanks to the gods who chose you for me.
Look, I made a favorite food. Let's go inside and eat.
And after eating, you make me feel like a real woman.
Really?
Yes.
That he chose him over me is not the problem. Why did she not give me a listening ear? She did not even appreciate me for saving her life. So if those bad boys had killed me, this is what I will get for appreciation. this world is something else.
That was what happened. I'm still confused. The way she turned me down. After all that I did for her.
Nandi, my brother, there are more to love that you don't understand. We make lots of sacrifice when we prove our love and faithfulness to the ones we love. Don't get it twisted. It is more like tested before trusted. I want you to calm down. Don't allow this thing get to you. Just take it as a test of love. Believe me, with time, true love will prevail. That's how it works.
Now I understand. Thank you, my sister.
You're welcome.
You are the reason I am living. Surely you can't do this to me. Remember, I gave up my life for you to live. Remember all that I have done for you, my sacrifice. Please.
Nnamdi, are you saying that I should pay you back?
No. Just think back. I want you to reconsider your decision. I love you so much. My love for you is unconditional. I will make you a better woman. We are meant for each other.
So what are you trying to suggest? That I should give up my relationship and marry you?
Yes, marry me.
Nnamdi, you mean I should give up my relationship and marry you? I have always known you as a selfish person. But I'm sorry, it will not work. I have come to tell you my decision. I chose him over you.
Chinyere, I've always wanted you to be happy. I will never hurt you. My love for you can never die. I will love and care for you forever till I die.
Till you die. This is what you've always said to me. That you love me, you love me, you love me. You will never allow anything to happen to me. You care about my feelings and all that. Yet, you don't even care about my feelings. The other day, you were at my hut. I begged you, Nnamdi, to make me feel like a real woman. You refused. You turned me down. And you opened your mouth to tell me that you love me. What is the love you're talking about? What is this love you're talking about? When you don't care about my feelings. I was attacked the other day. What did you do? You ran away. You left me there. They would have killed me. You left me there, Nnamdi. Chima would not do that to me. Yet you claimed you love me. Anyways, this is my decision. I have chosen him. Chima, you don't love me. Because if you do, you wouldn't want to take my pride without a prize.
But you asked for it.
Yes, I asked for it. Is it everything a woman asks of you that you just give to her?
So, what's new?
Yes, we have planned another one again.
Okay.
She will come to tell you that she has chosen Nnamdi over you, but don't give in. She just wants to see your reaction.
Okay.
Yes. What you will do is just show her how much you love her. Show her how much you want to have her. Okay. See, don't fall for that trick. Just keep doing it. Give her that love.
Okay.
It will work. Just believe it. After this one, you will win.
Hi. My own person. Thank you. Thank you for this information.
Just make sure you do according to the plan.
There's no problem. I have a surprise for you tomorrow. Eh? Just take care. Take care. Thank you. Thank you!
saying anything?
Because I don't know what to say. But all I can say is that my love for you will never die. I will continue protecting you, loving and caring for you. Chinyere, I love you so much.
Look at him.
Come to think of it all, how come Nnamdi is overcoming all the trials? Or does it mean that Ngozi is working for both of us? If this fails, if this particular one fails, Ngozi will return everything I have given to her because I am not a fool. Let this one fail.
Where are you going to?
I want to see a friend.
Okay. What of your sister?
She's at home.
We are doing off.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Where is she?
She said what she be doing, she will soon come.
There's no working materials here.
Let's walk.
What are you going? What are you doing? What are you doing? What's all of this? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Help me! Nnamdi! Help me! Help me! What is this? What is this? He's the one. What is the meaning of this?
Ngozi, I was on my way to your house to ask you why you did that yesterday. Ngozi, I could not sleep last night trying to figure out where I've wronged you.
Nnamdi, you have not done anything to me. I don't just want my friend to marry you. That's all.
Why?
You don't deserve her. You don't deserve her. Chima is the best man for her. And that is why I want Chima to marry her.
Are you looking for her? Because you are not only wicked, you are equally heartless.
Listen, there is nothing between you and her. No. Listen, Chima, Chinyere, what about Siano? Eh? You know what? Get ready. 4 market days from now, they'll be getting married. You need to celebrate with them. Oh, Nyano. Oh. Be married.
I did not do it. She sold me for nothing.
Oh, please, just shut it. Close your mouth. I caught you in the act. I caught you, Nnamdi. So why are you lying? Why are you denying it?
I know you will not accept the truth, but only the gods will bear me witness that I did not do it.
It's too late for all this.
I am aware that the two of you are getting married before market days. But I want to let you know that I was falsely accused. Chinyere, I don't think any woman will occupy the space you left in my heart. Chinyere, take this as the gift of my love to you. I love you.
No!
I am sorry. You know, I am trying to supervise this place. You know what is coming up soon.
Congratulations, I'm happy for you.
Thank you, my brother.
But I want to beg you for one thing. Please, help me take good care of her. You know I still love her. Huh?
Nnamdi, you don't need to plead with me to love or take care of my wife. She is my wife. Look, let me make you a promise now. I am going to do everything within my power to make sure I care for her, I love her, and I protect her. And of course, we produce good children.
I will do that. After all, she's my wife.
So how's the preparation?
Very good, very good. As you can see, this place will soon be ready. Because you know, a man has to be a full man.
I'm really happy for you.
Oh, you want to be going, eh? Yes. There is no problem. We will see, we will see. I will keep you informed. Eh? My good friend. No! No! Thank you for all you have done. Hey.
Chinyere!
What is wrong with you?
What is going on here?
What is your problem?
You dare stab me in the back? Moments ago, you were in my house, congratulating and pledging your support for my forthcoming marriage in the next 4 market days. What are you doing in a compromising way with my wife-to-be? Chinyere, what is going on?
I am not and will never be your wife-to-be. Yes! The only man who truly deserves to be my husband is that man who truly loves me, cares for me. That man who is sincere, truthful, protective. That is the only man that is worthy to be my husband.
All this you mentioned, I have given all to you. I am caring, I am loving, I will protect you.
Just don't touch me. Maybe I should remind you of how you bribed my friend Ngozi here to convince me to marry you.
Ngozi, I am worried. My mind is not at peace. Because I don't know how Nnamdi is passing through all these trials. How? How?
I have told you not to worry. Have you not paid me to do this job? Huh? See, Chinyere is your wife. Yes. Listen, she's my best friend. And anything I ask her to do, that's exactly what she does. I have her here. So, Julu, oh?
Ngo, if you are assuring me that this will come to pass, then I will say the gods of our land should bless you for all your assistance.
Oh, Chiuma, Julu, let me be on my way.
But I'm still worried until you know,
everything will fall in
until
place.
Things happens the way it should be. Oh.
Or maybe I should remind you of how you slept with my shameless friend.
my money. I have done my job. I made her believe that Nnamdi raped me.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Wait. Are you trying to tell me that she has completely taken Nnamdi off her heart?
Is she a fool? How can she get married to a rapist? You needed to see how I made it look so real. There's no way she would doubt me. Yes.
Are you sure? Good! Beautiful. Look, let me now go inside and bring the remaining of your money for your job. Well done.
Chima, come back here. Come back here, Chima. Chima, aside from my reward, I want you to take me in. Do whatever you want with me, Chima. Hmm? Come. Come inside.
So tell me, are you still worthy to be called my husband? Are you? No, you are not. Nnamdi here is the one worthy to be called my husband. He has been loving, sincere, truthful, caring, and protecting. Yes, he has. I knew about how you passed all my trials and tests. All because of a shameless friend here, Ngozi. Hey, just shut it! Shut up! Hey. You both are birds of a feather. I want you to flock together. Today, I, Chinyere, pronounce you man and wife. She is your bride. Take her. She is your bride. Traitors, deceivers, destroyers, betrayers. My love, my husband, the one after my heart, the king of my heart. I love you so much.